So I think there's a lot of people that misunderstand BSR. Now, BSR stands for Amazon, the bestseller ranking of a book, where it's currently ranked. It is a snapshot in time. So I'm going to share my screen here and show you a tool that I like to use to see the long-term growth or sales of a book. Now, you might see a book that is sitting at 70,000 BSR, which in theory is good, but that might be their first sale, or they might have just had a sale. It's not going to determine how well a book has been selling over a period of time. So I'm on Amazon here. I have a book up and I have the Helium 10 extension. Okay, so this extension's free. You can create a free account with Helium 10, and you can download this extension for free. And what it does is adds this here to your books or to every listing on Amazon. Okay, so what this does is this is a sales graph over the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or all time. Okay, so this will allow you to see how many times the BSR has changed, has gone up and down. And each time the BSR graph or the chart drops off, like here, it goes from 2000 to 1900 down to 1700. That is an indication of a sale or transaction. Now, BSRs don't update instantly. So this might be numerous sales sitting at a 1942 BSR. This is probably a ton of sales. But then it drops down 1763. So you can say, okay, between here and here, the BSR updated once, that means there's at least one transaction. Now, if you look at a book that has, a million BSR, that chart will be all over the place. But BSR, I think a lot of people misunderstand. It is just a snapshot in time. Okay, so something else I love about this extension is even with the free account, you can click on keywords here. It'll load and you get 2 free reverse searches a day. Now, what this means is this will bring back data for any 2 books that you pick, and it will reverse search them, see where they're ranking at, give you some estimated search volumes. It'll even rank them with their Cerebro IQ score. So the higher the score, the better off. It'll tell you the estimated competing products. So this is a really nice tool to have and to look at to kind of judge, how much search volume is a book or a keyword getting, and then how many people am I competing against? Something like Mermaid Coloring Book, there's over 2,000 results, and it's getting 3,100 searches a month. So Cerebro IQ score is 1,500, which is not bad. But then if we scroll down here, Coloring Mermaids, okay, has a score of 53 here, search volume 160, so pretty low, and you're competing with 3,000 products. So this is an indication of search volume versus competing products. It kind of calculates a number for you. But I think this is an extension that most people should have. You can go to helium10.com. I get nothing for telling you guys this. Create a free account. You can use this extension, and then you can also do 2 free reverse searches a day. So if you're researching a niche over a week and you use 2 of those searches every day, you can have a lot of keyword data back for once it is time to actually list your book. So that is how BSRs work. They are just a snapshot in time. They do not tell you like, oh, over the last 30 days it has sold this much because of this BSR. No, BSRs are always changing. So hopefully this clears some confusion a lot of people had up with BSRs.